was just reading this book about building a bomb. Here's what I think. Stop building a bomb. If you're a 59 and a half person, page 79, this is for you. Stop building a bomb. If you are right now at 59 and a half with a $1 million IRA, and you're going to keep contributing to that IRA, and you're going to grow that IRA over the rest of your lifetime to maybe 3 million. What are you doing? You're building a bomb. The tax on that money, the full family tax rate going to your kids is about 50%. 25% you're going to pay, 25% they're going to pay. That's the full family tax rate. Okay, let's roll that forward. If you keep saving, all you're doing is saving up to pay more taxes. So let's stop building the bomb. You know, between age 60 and 73, 13 years, you can stop putting money in pre-tax plans. Start putting money in other things that are tax-free, tax-exempt. There's all kinds of different places to put the money. Let's just use an example. If you invest your next 1 million, that's 80,000 a year for the next 13 years. Your next 1 million in a tax-free investment can pay you literally $150,000 a year, tax-exempt for life, plus the money can also go to your children and your grandchildren without paying outrageous, excessive taxes. So let's stop building the bomb.